Hello everybody, my name is Andrea Clerici and I'm the Asia Pacific responsible for the Pirelli motorcycle tire business. This is my first time coming to the Philippines. I arrived 2 days ago, had a short visit to Manila, visiting some shops in Manila, having some talks, and yesterday arriving to this very nice event, to this very nice concentration festival of big motorcycle groups. Yesterday we had a very nice party, a very nice dinner all together. I was impressed from the beginning by the very big amount of people. I was impressed by how many people enjoy big bike in the Philippines and gathered to this event. Together with a group of friends, we had the possibility to have almost a 300 kilometers ride around the area of the event. We went up to Mount Samat, I think it's called like this.
Yes.
And it was a fantastic ride. A little bit hot, but very, very enjoyable. And the reason why I'm here though is not to enjoy the ride and the party, although this is very nice. The reason I'm here is to get in touch to the Philippine market. Having the responsibility of the Asia Pacific market since January of this year, it was very important for me to come to the Philippines and see and talk to the people, to the end user and to our customers, understanding what is the trend, what is the reality of the motorcycle life in the Philippines. I'm Italian, I live in Shanghai, where Pirelli has the head office of Asia Pacific, but I like to travel and most of all I like to get in contact with the market, with the end users. I'm a motorcycle rider by myself, as you can see, I enjoy riding, so the best way to understand the culture and the reality of the Philippine market is to be here with all these people. Until today, Pirelli and Metzeler, of course, have been offering basically tires for the big bikes. This is our specialty, let me say. Pirelli is, since almost 10 years now, the unique tire supplier for the World Superbike Championship and World Supersport. Metzeler has a very long history of tires for motorcycle. Metzeler is actually the oldest motorcycle tire brand in the world, but always focused, being a true European brand, focused on the big bikes only. Of course, there is a good market in the Philippines about the big bikes that I wanted to know, but the future, the main part of the market is not only related to the big bikes. The biggest part of the market is related to the smaller bikes, the underbone, that are not popular in Europe. So the reason why I came is also to understand this trend, to understand this reality of the market. And since Pirelli is going to open a new factory in Indonesia that is going to be producing tire from next year, why not? To see what is the potential for Pirelli and Metzeler in the smaller bike segment. So I came here for 3 days to be in contact with as many Filipino riders as possible, enjoy their character, their very funny character, their very nice character, but also understand how Pirelli and Metzeler can offer to the widest part of the Filipino riders the high quality and the high performance that today we are already offering for the big bikes.
Alright, so thank you Andrea for visiting the Philippines, and I'm sure the market will be very eager to see what Pirelli will be bringing to the market in maybe a few years time or even less than a year. Alright.
Thank you very much. Thank you first of all for your time, for this interview, for letting me, for giving me the possibility of explaining shortly the reality of Pirelli and Metzeler in the Filipino market, but also in the whole Asia. But most of all, I would like to thank you and all the riders I have met at this event for the very warm hospitality. It has been 2 warm days, not only for the weather, but also for the hospitality, for the feeling. I felt like at home. I had very good impressions, so I hope I will be able to reward the Filipino riders with some good products, high quality, high performance products in the shortest possible way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thanks.